I wanted to set up a video to demonstrate a parabolic biclimax and a regular biclimax. So let's take a look at the stock ticker open. Open door. I've been watching it for about a week or so. Um, I'm using Robinhood. I do not recommend Robinhood for trading. For investing, it works fine, but for trading, it is not a good tool. But let's move past that. Open door. So you can see I have this trend line drawn, and we get a buy climax. So what is a buy climax? A buy climax is just a very strong buy, uh, a move in an upward direction. There are sell climaxes too, but this is a buy climax. We got a very strong move up. That's not the buy climax yet. Uh, and then we get some retracement, and then we get a move up that looks even stronger. The bars are larger. Uh, now the bodies aren't very good compared to this one right here, but it looks like a stronger move because uh, the size of the bars are so large. But when the sell-off goes past the starting point of the buy climax, that's when it turns into a buy climax. And so you can see we got one leg down, we went sideways, and then we got a second leg down. And we're back at the trend line. You can see there's some buying coming back, but usually what happens when you get an overshoot of a channel is you get a break of the channel. So an overshoot goes in the direction that the channel is going. So this went up, so that's an overshoot. And a break is when it goes in the opposite way of the channel. So this is an upward channel, and so I'm guessing we're going to get a break over the next couple of days. But this is a buy climax. I want to show you a parabolic buy climax now, and this happened yesterday. I'm going to pause the video to find it. Here we have the price action for open door from yesterday. This is the 1 minute chart. And you can see we had this very strong move after the market opened to a high, and then we get a sell-off, and it's looking pretty strong. There's no gaps above the EMA here. And then what we get is we get 3 pushes up, with each push looking stronger than the one that came before it. That is a parabolic buy climax. This is all learned from Al Brooks's course, so you can check that out on his website. But if you don't know what a parabola is, it basically moves. If you watch my mouse, it moves up, and it keeps going up so much that it actually starts to move this way. So let's check out the first push. It looks like a bull channel. This is the first push, this channel right here. Then we get some correction, and then what we get is a strong bull micro channel. There are no bars in this 1, 2, 3, 4, and eventually 5 bar channel. There are no bars that break below the previous one. So we get a break below it here. So that's the second push up. And then we get this third push up. And this is what happens a lot. This is the biggest bull bar in this whole upward move. So we'll just say that's 20 bars. I'm not sure exactly how many it is. And what happens is the buyers are exhausted. There are no more buyers left. All the beginner traders finally bought up here. But the experienced traders, what they look at is they look at this as a gift. That's the way Al Brooks phrases it. The experienced ones who got in maybe right here after we get a close above the EMA right here, or we get the gap above it and they take this small bull bar because it's low risk, high reward if they're going for a new high. We get it. It's a strong move. This doesn't close the gap, and you get another one. The gap, it doesn't go below this bull bar. And then you get another extremely strong bull bar. Very experienced traders see that, and they take their profits, or they take their profits when you get this triple top right here. So that is the most textbook example of a parabolic buy climax. And look at what we had after that. We didn't go higher than that. So these traders were trapped. And we get a very strong downward trend after that. So let's draw it like this. And let me remove that. You can see it. That's a very, very strong move that completely uh, takes away the move from the morning. And that's pretty much where we bounced, but went a little bit lower and then bounced. But you can see that very strong bear trend right after the uh, bull buy climax, parabolic buy climax. So I just wanted to go over this example. I hope it helps somebody.